The most epic sequence was the final battle sequence, which was on the grand scale of the whole environment and the good over evil fighting. All the characters which were there in this whole movie came to life over there and just fought with each other, and it was at a very grand scale. We being one of the major studios who worked on the project, and we were involved from the shooting days to the final product. We kind of grew with this movie. Some of the animators, they felt so connected that something in their shot, when those characters were hurt in the sequence or they were happy in the sequence, they could feel that emotion come through to them because they were so much attached to this movie and to the characters and how the characters feel. Initially, we always thought that the Peachtree transformation would be handled in FX or one of the departments which would technically transform this peach tree into a beautiful blooming tree. But when we started listening to the director and we came to know his vision and what he wants to see eventually, we knew from the scratch that he would want it to be tweaked to a personalized level and add those intricate details which might not be very easy to achieve with these procedural ways. We in animation took over the peach tree transformation. It's not just one branch or one root growing into a peach tree. Actually build a rig for each branch and each blossom parts, individually placed to the liking of the director and animated, timed and bloomed according to what the vision of the director was. The director initially had a vision about it and he left it to our team, and thanks to our animation director CJ, she took it to the next level. She basically sat with the director, designed every shot with him, and then the whole edit was left to our team to decide what the actions would be and in what sequence. We took over the whole sequence, choreographed it from the start to the end. So we had a blast on the sequence. But not talking about only Peachtree or the hands, all the characters were so amazing. Initial sequences where they were introduced to us, they were cute little thieves who were stealing all the treasures around and running with Ming all over the place. Slowly, as the story progressed, you could see the change in these cute characters, which became warriors by the end of the whole movie. We used to shoot lots of acting choices and acting references. These ferrets, they used to have their own funny moments. Those funny moments had to be reenacted by our fellow animators, and definitely we had guinea pig animators which were cool at acting. We used to always catch hold of them, throw them in front of the camera and ask them to act for us. At the start of the final battle, the mice family had to jump off the bridge and go underneath the bridge and chew the bridge from bottom as the whole battle happens and the bridge collapse. We had heavy rainfall at our studios in Hyderabad. Our fellow animators went ahead and they actually enacted taking a dive into that flooded water and shot the reference for our other fellow animator in LA, Ruth, and we sent it to her that this is how we would expect it to happen. That was an amazing process.